What's up Tech fam? Welcome back to Unboxing Guru, your ultimate pit stop for all things gadgets, gear and greatness. And today, oh boy, we have got a beast on the table, the Iqoo Neo 10. A phone that's not just flexing muscles, it's ripping shirt off in the mid-range segment. Let's unbox this powerhouse and find out why this might be ultimate gaming plus performance combo under 35k. So alright guys, inside the box, Iqoo gives you the usual premium unboxing feel. The phone itself, obviously, the monster 120-watt flash charge brick, Type-C cable, a transparent case, SIM ejector tool, some paperwork which we all pretend to read but don't. But feast your eyes on this beauty. It looks stunning, it looks absolutely killer. This Inferno red color is one of my favorite color in the two different options that comes, titanium chrome and the Inferno red. Well, this phone is solid build, IP65 rating, and at 8.09 mm, it's impressively slim for a phone. Wait for it, 7000 mAh battery. Yes, 7000. This is the power bank phone disguised as a flagship. Now powering this beast is the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, the first in India to rock this chip, paired with up to 16 gigs of RAM and 512 GB of storage, and the same I am having right now in my hand. Whether you're gaming at 144 FPS, multitasking or editing on the fly, this thing does not break a sweat. And guess what? It's got a 7000 mm square vapor cooling system. So no overheating, just overachieving. And I have tried multiple games on this. Even I have tried some emulator games and they run absolutely brilliant. Now talking about the display, because you are enjoying the game on this beautiful display, that is a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel, and it's quite stunning with 1.5K resolution. It comes with 144 hours of battery, smooth refresh rate, gorgeous color, and it also supports HDR. So your Netflix sessions just leveled up, and for gamers, you're getting the crispy 144 Hz without breaking the bank. Looking at the camera front, you get a solid 50 megapixel Sony sensor with OIS. And the camera quality is quite impressive in the daylight, and the photos are quite amazing. Even the portrait looks great, and I'm really impressed with the photos at this price bracket. Also, you get 8 megapixel of ultra wide sensor and a 32 megapixel selfie shooter up front. Photos are sharp, natural and stable, and especially with the OIS doing its magic, not a camera phone first, but definitely not slacking either. Also, you can record videos at 4K 30 FPS. Now talking about the software part, this phone is packed with Android 15 and running cool Iqoo Funtouch OS 15. But before the conclusion, when we're talking about the Iqoo phone, there is a big thing that you need to really know. The supercomputing chip Q1. This helps the phone to run more smartly, to make it more performance centric. And yes, if you're a gamer and definitely you want to do a lot of heavy gaming on this phone can deal with everything. So basically, a 3.21 GHz Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset and supercomputing chip Q1 helps you out to run this all exclusive games on your phone. Even you can run GTA 5 on this phone. And we're talking about the big one, yes, the 120-watt charging on a 7000 mAh battery. From 0 to 100% in around 15 minutes, and I literally blinked it and it was done. Iqoo's engineers really cooked with this one, and I am gonna say, you're gonna love it. Now it's final time for the verdict and the pricing. Yes, so this phone starts from the pricing of rupees 31,999. And with the starting bank offer, you get this phone for just rupees 29,999. But if you're looking for the highest variant, it goes up to 41,000. That is packed with a 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. At this price, you're getting a flagship grade performance, insane battery, blazing fast charging, and a killer AMOLED display. Also, early birds get a pair of Iqoo TWS 1E earphone free worth rupees 1899. So should you buy it? If you're a gamer, power user, or just someone who hates carrying a charger all day, the Iqoo Neo 10 is a no-brainer. This is a performance monster that punches well above its price tag. And hey, let me know in the comment section, Neo 10 or something else, what are you rocking right now? So if you really enjoyed this unboxing and want more real reviews and no BS breakdown, then smash that like button, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next drop from Unboxing Guru. Until next time, stay curious, stay techy, and as always, keep unboxing.